Hey guys, Ben with skidsteerattachmentshop.com and American Equipment. I'm bringing you guys another video today and show you these hydraulic pallet forks. This specific model is 48 inches long, 5,500 pound rated with a walk-through frame, and that's the biggest one they make with a walk-through frame. That's hydraulic powered and movement. Parker fittings. The forks are rated for 5,500 pounds. Most of their stuff's made by MSI here in the States. Heavy duty frame on the back side. Everything's heavy duty on that CID makes. They're all high quality. They don't use cheap parts. That's why I pretty much only sell their products. So we're gonna run these forks here just to show you what they look like. Not make this video too long because there's not much to these. Just wanted to give you kind of a walk around and show you what they're like. Ben, go ahead and roll it. Slides in. Just make sure the back of the plate is greased real well. They pre-grease it, just a little slide, but they work real quick, pretty fast, cool. So if you're constantly moving these things in and out all the time, it'd be worth it to invest a little bit more in these forks. So give us a call, 765-206-3057, or check us out online, www.skidsteerattachmentshop.com. I'll have the link down there in the comments as well on the screen. And just give us a call if you have any questions about this attachment or you want to purchase any others. Thanks guys.